Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Locating the delete button in Gmail is straightforward once you know where to look on different devices. When you are using a computer browser, the delete icon appears as a trash can. To find it, first select the email you want to remove by clicking the small checkbox next to it. Once selected, a new menu bar will pop up at the top of your inbox. The trash can icon is usually the fourth option from the left. You can also right-click on any email to see a menu that includes the delete option. If you have an email already open, the same trash can icon sits in that same top toolbar above the message content. For those who prefer keyboard shortcuts, simply pressing the pound or hashtag key will send a selected message straight to the trash. On the Gmail mobile app for iPhone or Android, the process is very similar. When you open an email, look at the top right corner of your screen for that same trash can symbol. If you are looking at your main inbox list, you can long press an email to select it. This action makes the delete icon appear in the top menu bar. Many users also set up swipe gestures to delete messages quickly by sliding their finger across the screen. If you accidentally delete something, remember that your messages stay in the trash folder for 30 days. You can find this folder by clicking the More button in the left sidebar on your desktop. Remember to empty your trash periodically to keep your storage space clear and organized.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.